Top 6 best meats for diabetics you should eat to help lower blood sugar. Have you ever wondered which meats fit best into a diabetes-friendly eating plan? Living with diabetes means making careful choices about each food group, and protein is no exception. Not all meats are created equal. Some can potentially disrupt your blood sugar control and impact heart health, which is already a concern for many diabetics. That's why identifying the best protein sources is so crucial. In this guide, we will explore 7 different meats that are not only tasty but also beneficial for your blood sugar levels. These options tend to be lower in unhealthy fats and higher in the nutrients your body needs. Whether you are aiming to broaden your weekly menu or simply make healthier protein choices, this rundown will help you make well-informed decisions for a balanced, diabetic-friendly diet. Number 6. Skinless chicken breast. Skinless chicken breast is an excellent protein source, especially when your goal is to manage diabetes. By removing the skin, you cut down on saturated fat, making it leaner and less likely to spike blood sugar levels. Compared to darker cuts of chicken, skinless breast is lower in overall fat and offers a more heart-friendly profile. Protein slows the absorption of carbohydrates, aiding in more stable blood sugar readings. Chicken breast is also rich in essential nutrients like B vitamin, which are vital for energy and metabolism. To keep meals as healthy as possible, opt for cooking methods like grilling, baking, or roasting instead of frying, which can introduce extra fats and carbs. For instance, you could bake chicken breast seasoned with herbs, then serve it alongside roasted vegetables such as broccoli, zucchini, or peppers. These non-starchy vegetables supply additional fiber, which can further stabilize blood sugar and contribute to better overall glycemic control. Number 5. Salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon is another standout choice for diabetics, as are similar fatty fish like sardines or anchovies. What sets salmon apart is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support heart health, a major concern for individuals with diabetes. Since diabetes often correlates with higher risk for cardiovascular issues, omega-3s can be especially beneficial. Unlike some other proteins that may have a higher glycemic impact, salmon and its counterparts provide a steady supply of energy without triggering sudden sugar spikes. Cooking salmon can be quick and simple. Try grilling a salmon fillet with a bit of olive oil, garlic, and pepper, or oven bake it with lemon and herbs. Serve it with a side of sautéed spinach or a cauliflower mash for a flavorful, low-carb meal that satisfies your taste buds, while also keeping blood sugar in check. Adding salmon to your meal rotation, even once or twice a week, can bolster heart health and help support better metabolic function. Number 4. Filet mignon. Lean red meat. Red meat can be a tricky subject for people with diabetes. Fatty cuts and processed forms of red meat may interfere with glycemic control and increase the risk of cardiovascular complications. However, that does not mean you have to avoid red meat altogether. When eaten sparingly and in leaner cuts, red meat can still provide valuable protein and nutrients like iron and zinc. Filet mignon is a prime illustration of a lean red meat option. It contains far less saturated fat than many other cuts, making it a reasonable choice in moderation. The protein in filet mignon supports muscle repair and helps keep blood sugar from spiking too rapidly. Remember to cook it in a healthy way, such as grilling, broiling, or baking, to keep extra fat to a minimum. Serving it with a side of leafy greens or roasted Brussels sprouts can offer extra fiber and further balance your meal's impact on blood sugar. The key is portion control and pairing filet mignon with low-carb, high-fiber vegetables to enjoy it in a diabetes-friendly manner. Number 3. Skinless white meat turkey. Skinless turkey breast is another protein powerhouse ideal for those wanting to keep blood sugar in check. Like chicken breast, turkey breast contains minimal saturated fat once the skin is removed, thereby reducing the chances of harmful cholesterol buildup or erratic blood sugar levels. Rich in nutrients such as niacin and selenium, turkey breast helps bolster the immune system and maintain stable energy levels. One advantage is that turkey can be quite versatile in meal prep, whether you roast it, grill it, or slice it thin for a sandwich. To keep it diabetic-friendly, avoid processed versions like many deli turkeys that often come laden with added sugars, sodium, or preservatives. Instead, buy fresh turkey breast and roast it yourself. Pair your turkey with a side of roasted vegetables or a refreshing salad drizzled with olive oil and vinegar. This combination supplies valuable fiber, vitamins, and minerals, ensuring your meal is not only tasty but also beneficial for blood sugar management. Number 2. Poultry variety, duck and beyond. Chicken and turkey might be the typical go-tos for poultry, but you do not have to stop there. Duck is another option that, while higher in fat than chicken or turkey, can still be part of a balanced diabetic diet if enjoyed occasionally and prepared carefully. Duck contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that can be more heart-friendly than the saturated fats found in other meats. When cooking duck, techniques like roasting or grilling help to render out excess fat, making it a more healthful choice. For a diabetic-friendly approach, consider pairing duck with cauliflower rice and non-starchy vegetables instead of carb-heavy sides. Dishes like ginger duck stir-fry or lightly spiced roast duck can introduce variety without throwing your blood sugar off balance. If you are more comfortable with chicken or turkey, both can be used in soups, stews, salads, or casseroles, offering a lean source of protein that helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Mixing and matching your poultry options is a fun way to keep your meals interesting while still focusing on diabetic-friendly nutrition. Number 1. Organ meats. Liver, kidney, heart, and tongue. Organ meats are a nutrient-dense choice that can be surprisingly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Cuts like liver, heart, kidney, and tongue are loaded with fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K that aid immune function, vision, bone health, and, yes, blood sugar regulation. Organ meats also supply vitamin B12, essential for energy production and nerve health, issues that are especially pertinent for diabetics prone to nerve complications. If you are new to organ meats, an easy way to dip your toe in is by blending them with ground beef in a 70% beef to 30% organ meat ratio for burgers, meatloaf, or meatballs. This method lets you receive the nutritional upsides of organ meats without overpowering your taste buds. You can also mask the flavor with bold sauces or spices, such as tomato sauce, curry blends, or chili seasonings. From hearty stews to traditional recipes like pate, organ meats add depth while delivering a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that support metabolic and cardiovascular health. Over time, you may find yourself enjoying the unique, richer taste of organ meats, and your body will thank you for the nutritional boost they provide. Choosing the right meats can make a world of difference in blood sugar management and overall health, especially if you live with diabetes. From skinless chicken breast to nutrient-packed organ meats, each of these 7 options brings a unique set of benefits to the table. Lean poultry reduces saturated fat intake. Fatty fish like salmon supply vital omega-3s. Filet, Mignon offer heart-healthy protein in moderation, and organ meats deliver an exceptional range of vitamins and minerals. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description to watch a short free presentation about a natural way that can help lower your blood sugar. Before making any big adjustments to your diet, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure these protein choices align with your individual needs. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a like or subscribing for more insights into diabetes-friendly eating and healthy living. Feel free to share your favorite recipes or ask questions in the comments. With a little creativity and balanced planning, you can enjoy delicious meals while keeping blood sugar in check. You have the power to steer your wellness journey, one tasty, well-chosen protein at a time.